confused a few people. I just wanted to come on, do a quick video. Someone inboxed me earlier stating how they had been in doing credit repair and everything for like 12 years, and they've never known anything about um, being able to put $200 to $800 back in their bank account with a bad credit score. Well, that is not what I meant. That is not what that post was meant for. That's not what I meant when I stated that post, so I hope I wasn't confusing anyone. However, I did want to come on and just very quickly just show you guys, just talk about what it is that can help you to increase your cash flow, basically help raise your credit score. That's good. Glad you're doing good. So increase your credit score, help bring an extra $200 to $800. Sometimes it can be more and it may be less, so don't quote me on those numbers, but a lot of people have been getting major success or having major success just by completing using a strategy that we teach in myEcon, which is the company that I am a part of, that actually helps you to increase your cash flow, guys, and have personal financial success. And so I'm going to flip my camera around and I'm just going to go through a few items and discuss a few things with you while we're broadcasting today. So this is my page, Financial Empowerment with Shay Marie. And like I said, I'm with myEcon, and we are the personal financial success company, you guys. So we teach you how to take control over your life and money today, not tomorrow. We help you to learn how to increase your income from your employer. So if you are working a job, this is actually from you. So like I said, we instantly increase your income from your employer, and that can be, like I said, $500 to $1,000 per month, or $200 to $1,000 per month, without asking your boss. This is the key thing. You don't have to go to your boss in order to be able to get these type of increases on your current paycheck, you guys. And so I just wanted to go over a post I have on my page to help a few of you understand what it is when we're talking about having personal financial success, as well as utilizing the tax laws and the laws that are put in place for us to become successful. So this post basically reads, did you know that your salary is an illusion? Let me teach you some basic math. $50,000 a year, around the average income for the U.S. After taxes, you only get about $37,000 of that $50,000 as an employee with a $50,000 a year income. So you're bringing back home $37,500, and you're giving away $12,000, you guys, to taxes. So you have mortgage or rent, so that's about $1,000 a month, right? Which $1,000 a month, so you're giving away another $12,000, because of course we need a place to live, right? We gotta have a roof over our head, so that's already a given. And we actually teach you strategies on how to, how to annihilate that debt and, you know, be a homeowner and actually own land and not have to pay this $1,000. But let me keep on going. So your new cash flow is now $25,000 now that you've paid, you know, just say for instance, this is just tallying up for the year. So you have a brand new car with an average car payment of $300, insurance about $200. That's another $6,000 a year, which gives you now a cash flow of $19,500 a year. Let's talk about food. You gotta have food, $400 a month. That's probably if you're by yourself or maybe have another person. $5,000 a month, you guys. So with $5,000 a month, I'm sorry, $400 a month. I'm sorry, $400 a month. Now you have cash flow for the year of $14,700, you guys. Then you have to take into the factor of gas, eating out, daycare, utilities, cell phones. So we're just giving you a ballpark figure. Your cash flow is not $50,000 a month. You think you're earning $50,000 a year from your job, but you're not. You're more so looking at about $15,000 for the year to live off of, to live a good life. And you know, a lot of people, if they budget correctly and don't live beyond their means, this is maybe good for them. Maybe may be content with that. But what if you wanted to put money away for and you know, your retirement, you know, because you gotta have money put away for retirement, because once you stop working, then what are you going to live off of? So that's basically what myEcon teaches you. Let me go through some other things. So of course, we help you to increase your cash flow, clear your credit score. I want to show you these statistics, you guys. 69% of Americans have less than $1,000 put away, you guys, for a rainy day. That's 69% of Americans don't have $1,000 put away, you guys. Then you have 68 million Americans who have poor credit. And then you have 80% of Americans who feel they are falling behind. Then there's another, wages are stagnant and government has no solutions, right? Well, that's actually not right, because the government does have solutions. However, we choose not to listen to those solutions. We allow, just as regular people, just to accept the fact that we have to pay taxes as an employee, and you know, and that's it. But that is not the case, you guys. So basically, what we do here at myEcon is we teach you strategies that are going to help you to bring this amount of money back into your income, into your home. Even if, you guys, if you never recruited anyone into this business. I'm not trying to get you to get into this business or get into myEcon for you to recruit or grow a team or anything. Even if you never did that, the strategies, the number one strategy that we're going to teach you when you join myEcon is how to correct a W-4 form that you already have filled out, but we're going to give you another one, show you how to correct it the proper way, where you can actually start bringing home that extra money into your household, you guys, and stop giving away your money to the government. The government actually shows you, well, not the government, the IRS, they actually tell you on their forms that instead of paying these taxes, We would rather you take it, the extra money, and put it away for your retirement, pay off your debt. But the thing is, they don't teach you how to do that. And that's where the problem lies, you guys. So everybody's paying out taxes, and a third of your income, a third of your check every time you get paid is being paid to the IRS, right? You don't even get to see a third of your own money that you've gotten up every single day, worked 40 hours a week for, just to receive a paycheck, and they are already taking out a third of that check. You don't even get to touch it or see it before you get paid, you guys. And that's where we want to come in and help you get more of your money back. We want to help you claim your money. A lot of people think it's a good idea that they get a tax refund at the end of the year, but it's not. A tax refund only means that you've overpaid. So why are you allowing them to let you overpay in taxes when you can be having that money to come back into your household, to be able to do what you need to do for your family, be able to do what you need to do in your household, live the life that you want to live, pay off your debt faster? A lot of us have mortgages and car notes and everything. Well, with the money that you're going to bring in from correcting a form, you guys, a simple form, you can actually start taking that money, paying off your debt, paying off your house earlier than what you would have expected. They give us a 15 to 30 year mortgage, but do you realize how much money, first of all, you're losing when you're waiting out and paying that mortgage within 15 to 30 years? How much money you're actually losing into interest when you do that, you guys? And so that's what we want to, we are here to empower you, to help you and teach you these strategies in order to bring your money back into your household. I had someone to say myEcon is fire. Yes, myEcon is fire. I've been with myEcon now since November of 2016. So it'll be 2015. So it'll be almost 3 years in November. And I love the strategies. I love the information and the things that it teaches our people, and we are here to empower our people. A lot of people, I see a lot of comments and people sharing different things about the negative things that we are trying to help empower our people about. And myEcon is not here to take advantage of anyone. If anything, it's a black owned company. We've been in business for over 13, 14, 15 years, and they're based in Atlanta, Georgia. Like I said, it's a black owned company, debt free company at that. They've helped cash flow for over $400 million back into families, households, you guys, with the strategies that we teach with myEcon. And so this is what we are all about. I had put up a post yesterday, and so many people, when I gave them the information, the first thing that they asked me was, is this a scam? And my question is, do I look like a person that'll be wasting my time every single day promoting scams? Like, if you want to be honest, I'm not trying to insult anybody, but your job's a scam. They're scamming you out of your money. They're telling you, and basically telling you what you're worth, basically every day, to go to work and get that paycheck and make them rich. My husband, he's a truck driver. He works a job, and I respect him for that. But not only does he work a job, he also on the side, helps and to run these different variations of businesses that we have as a home-based business owners. But One thing he was telling me, as a truck driver, one load that he goes to pick up, he can, it's worth thousands of dollars for they're getting paid thousands of dollars for him to go get this load. Lots of money, like $50,000. But he's only getting a set pay. So do you understand how you're allowing people to make money off of you by telling you how much you're worth and giving you, like, basically telling your worth? I don't have a problem, or I don't see anything wrong with people working a job, but one thing I do have a problem with is when people are complacent and they are just fine with struggling and living in poverty, and they don't want to take the strategies or learn the strategies that are going to help them to get out of the financial situation that they're in. And it kind of bothers me when I'm passing along information. I sometimes give the same information out to the person, one person, every single time. And the thing that I find is that we lack action takers. There is a lack of action takers in the world. There is a lack of people that actually want to do the work and see themselves living a better life. We walk around talking about how we're living the best life, singing Cardi B's song, but you're not. You're really not. And what I'm here to do is help you to really, really live your best life, you guys. And so with that, I do have a link above this video. If you're watching it on Facebook, it's in the description area. If you're watching it on YouTube, I do have a video that you can click on. There's a link that you can click on that will tell you more about myEcon and how it can help you, to clear your credits, raise your credit score. Put in the work, you guys. It's only $35 a month.